So we rescued this puppy. It came up very thin and very hungry. It was full of ticks and fleas. So now we're feeding it. It doesn't like dog food. So we... You say it doesn't like dog food?
Yeah.
So what are you feeding it on? Meat and normal food. I'm trying to figure out what it likes. Still very thin. This is day what? This is day what? Day 3 of us having it. We washed it, had a lot of ticks, and let's see how it goes. Huh? It still has some ticks, huh? Yeah, it had ticks all over, even on its eyes. So let's see. I'll take it to the vet today or tomorrow. But at least right now, it's much better after we washed it. Hey, it was suffering. Oh, you finished. You want more? Oh, still hungry. Let me get it some more food. Let me get you some more food. See what? Imeshibadi, it's crying.
No?
I think it wants more food.
When it was a child, it is like so fat. Like, it was so huge. It looked like it just ate a huge ball bigger than it. It was like...
Oh, how cute. How cute, baby. Now it's happy, eh? Let me get you some more food. Honestly, I've really never had a dog, so I don't know what to feed it on. So I have some meat here. It was in the fridge, I'll just warm it. Seems to like it. Let's see. Day 1. Oh, you're barking at the garden now. Oh, there's more food for you. Oh. Nice, baby. Oh, it's so skinny and bony. My God, look at that. Look at the ribs. I don't know what to feed it, so I'll figure out in time. Still have some ticks. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at the ticks. Oops. They're everywhere. It's a stick. Wow. Maybe I'll start cooking for it. Let's see. So your name is Kitty Kitty. Don't bark at me. I just fed you.
It's back in the garden.
At the garden?
There's someone yesterday.
Really? Outside? We'll take you to the vet.
My dog came around and it was barking at the neighbors. Then the dog saw him and started.
We'll